Well, finally finished my Yerf dog, model 3203. I'm so happy it's finally finished. A lot of custom work. As you can see, we raised the roof like 6 inches because I'm kind of tall. Rear end's completely custom made. 670. Carburetor's tuned perfect. Headers. Heavier valve springs. Custom wires. Not a big deal, but a K&N filter. 780 TAV. It's got hydraulic brakes. Wouldn't fit underneath the seat, so I used a screwdriver to extend it with a bolt welded to it and a washer. It's kind of genius, really. All this has had a couple months of testing before I made the final. Here's the choke. Didn't like it up there because I had to run the wire so far back, so I mounted attack air. Fenders all around it. Rack and pinion. Got to touch up a little bit of paint right there. Put a Yerf dog spider box front end on it. Brand new from BMI. It's nice and warm out today, so we probably won't have to choke it. Starts right up because I got it tuned. I got that carburetor right to a T. These are awesome. They're life-saving. As you can see, even underneath, painted the springs on the bar there. We did everything. I took it completely apart. Bunch of custom work. I made the mounts for the fenders. I made those. That's it though, finally done. Yerf dog 3203 with a 670. Finally complete, baby.